Welcome back everybody. In today's video we are going to be comparing a couple of different Halloween shirts, as exciting as I know that sounds. The first one I am wearing, this is a horror character themed shirt. We've got Pennywise and Michael Myers and Jason, the whole gambit of characters here on this polyester short sleeve, uncomfortable shirt. And let's face it, it is ugly and ill-fitting, and Tom picked it out for me. So when our friends at Hallow Swag offered to let me pick out my own shirt from their website, I jumped at the opportunity and I wanted to share that one with you today. So before we go ahead and show you the one that I selected, I want to give a quick shout out to them and take a look at their website so we can see their whole selection, which I really love because you know me, I love my Halloween t-shirts, but let's check out their cool designs. You can find their website at hallowswag.com. As you can see from this picture, they do more than just t-shirts. They've got a whole line of apparel, but also mugs and tote bags and blankets and all sorts of things. But we are here for t-shirts, specifically my favorite Halloween things. Let's go ahead and make these a little bit bigger and take a quick peek through their collection. So I think most of the designs that you're going to find on these t-shirts you can find on the other products as well. So check out their website if you want to see those. So which of these t-shirts do you think I selected? I will give you a hint. It's not one of these first four, although these are cool. I mean, look, we've got the Hatbox Ghost from the Haunted Mansion, a Haunted Mansion. Oh, there's the Hatbox Ghost there. Looks like we've got some hitchhiking ghosts. It's very vintage looking. I really like that. And then you've got these simple graphics that are just dramatic. I love the look of that ghost. Look, a McBoo tea. I think these are those pails you could get from McDonald's. I love the quirkiness of these t-shirts. You got the vintage nature, like with it's a vintage looking witch, but she's like on a motorcycle, so that's cool. Dracula, you've got the more modern, well, they call it retro. Retro Scream tee, so I would say a modern horror character, although I guess he's, you know, a quarter century old at this point. The Invisible Man. Oh, here you've got that skeleton that's coming out of the pumpkin, like we see in a lot of merchandise like that. This just looks like a creepy mansion with some trick-or-treaters, pumpkin with the knives sticking out of it. The ghost pop art tee looks like kind of Andy Warhol looking t-shirt. We've got cemetery here, witches with a cauldron, a haunting on the block tee. So this one, is that supposed to be like the Michael Myers house? Not really sure. Leave me a comment below too. Which one, what do you think that that's about? Ghost in the Closet. You should come out. Let's go ahead and load some more. The Sheet Ghost. I love anything Headless Horseman we've got going on there. Casper. Skeleton, Bone and Crow tee. So I guess he's got a crow on his hand. A Wolfman. We have a Trip to the Jack-o'-lantern. Okay, so I think those are the t-shirts. I think, like I said, that most of those designs you can get on all this other swag. Maybe not. I guess there's more designs. We've got, oh yeah, these are those like McBoo characters, but you can get them on socks, mugs. Oh, Goosebumps. I don't think we saw that, did we? But I think we saw most of these other designs on their t-shirts. All right, so can you guess which one I picked? Let's go ahead and open it up and show you. I really liked this one, the pop art t-shirt. Of course, I got mine in a double extra large, but there is a sizing guide on there if you want to select your own appropriate size. Like my shirt's a little roomier and comfortable, unlike this monstrosity. So let me go ahead and try this on. All right, here we go. It fits pretty great. It looks great. Let me know. What do you think? I just love this design. I think the characters are so cute, and I can't wait to wear this in my future videos. So I did want to say a special thank you to Hallow Swag for sending this to me, and I want to thank all of you for watching, and especially our patrons who help support the channel. If you're interested in joining our Fright Club, be sure to check out a link to my Patreon page in the description below. That's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next time, take care, and happy haunting.